What do you think? Some new food. You like it? You like it? You like it? What are you doing? You're sticking your tongue out? You like it, Connor? You do like it. Maybe not. You put that tongue in your mouth. You put that tongue in your mouth.